Alright, picture this. You've got some leftover rice lying around. It could be from takeout, it could be from something that you made earlier in the week, whatever. After about 24 hours, the starch in the rice is going to actually make the rice harden. So there's not much you can do with it, except for making fried rice, which is what we're going to do today. Let's get started. I like to cut things in uniform bite-sized pieces. That way, it's all the same size and it will allow for a faster cooking time. And now we are ready for the wok. You can have great results with a 12-inch skillet. However, I'm going to use this stainless steel wok for the sake of this video. And now I'm going to turn this on medium-low heat and drop in some olive oil. And I'm also going to add in some bacon bits for a little bit of smoky flavor. And we can render out a little bit more fat in the bacon bits. After a minute, now you're going to add in your hardest vegetable, and that's going to be the carrots. And toss that around a little bit. Now you're going to add in some celery. You can basically use whatever vegetable you have in your fridge. I have some zucchini, and I have some leftover rotisserie chicken that I'm just going to place in here. Give that a little toss. I'm going to season this with a little bit of black pepper, touch of garlic powder, and a touch of onion powder. Now I'm going to lower the heat a little bit so we can add in our rice. Now if you noticed, I did not add salt, and that's because I'm going to add in a bunch of soy sauce and a couple of dabs of Worcestershire sauce. And that's really salty, so we are going to taste it in a little bit and then adjust the flavorings after that. I just scrambled a couple of eggs, and I'm going to add that in the wok as well. And I'm just going to finish it off with some freshly cut chives. Gonna give it one more taste. Oh yeah, that's perfect. And now, you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'm Lendy with Small Bites. See ya!